Hey, you're watching Alexa from the Bra Addict, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your real bra size. Finally. These are 6 key measurements that you will need for the most accurate bra fitting you can have done at home using the A Bra That Fits calculator, which I'll have linked in the description box. I feel that it's important for me to mention that this is just a guide so that you can have a ballpark figure of what sizes you can fit into, because sizes across the board vary, sometimes drastically. First, take a loose underbust measurement. This will be just right underneath your breast fold and just along your rib cage. 2, take a comfortably snug underbust measurement. It should dig in slightly, but it should still be comfortable. Take a super tight underbust measurement. This measurement should be taken on a completed exhale where you're actually cinching in your underbust with the measuring tape. Not too much, but it will be slightly uncomfortable. 4, take a standing over bust measurement. So basically you take the measuring tape loosely over the fullest part of the breast, making sure that the measuring tape is parallel to the floor. Usually this measurement will be across the nipple. 5, take a leaning bust measurement. For this, you'll need to bend forward at a 90-degree angle, take a measuring tape and measure across the fullest part of the breast again, but just while leaning forward. Try to make sure that the measuring tape is perpendicular to the floor, while your back is parallel to the floor. 6, lying down on your back, take a measurement across the fullest part of your bust. Pop these measurements into the A Bra That Fits calculator that I mentioned before. The calculator will give you a couple of suggested sizes, which you can go and try out in stores and use sister sizing when necessary. In the next video, we're going to talk about breast shape and the difference between full on top and full on bottom breasts and how you can tell which of the two that you are. And the reason why this is helpful is that it'll help you determine what bra styles you should shop for. Like this video and let me know in the comments below if you found it helpful, and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.